In this video, we will cover inventory receiving from another warehouse in the same company in Axacute. To receive an item delivered by another warehouse, at the home page, click on the Incoming button. Select TO Receipt. At the Transfer Order Receipt page, select the receiving warehouse. Click on the Search button to select the transfer order to receive. By entering keyword that return relevant search result, the list of the orders can be narrowed down. Click on the Next button to proceed. On the next screen, Axacute will display all open transfer order lines. You can then proceed to select the corresponding line to receive. In the receiving page, first, verify that the item details are correct. Use your mobile device to scan the location barcode label on the rack to input the inbound receiving location. By setting up a unit of measure conversion earlier in Axacute, you can use an alternate unit of measure to receive the item. If there is any item lost during the transferring, you may enter the quantity loss and specify the reason code for the loss item. A success message will be prompted after the receiving is completed. If needed, you can print a label for the item that you have received. Thank you for watching this video.